Hello, mongrels and mamacitas. This is Nerf Guns tutorial. My name is Leonard. I'm going to take a break from the average Nerf Gun tutorials I've been making on my channel, and I'm going to do a video game review. This is a new game that just came out, and everyone's going crazy over it. It's called Virtual Knee Surgery. I mean, it's just this new AA game. I don't know. It's just kind of like one of those simulator games, basically. I think it was published by EA, and I think Westwood Games. Yeah, they came back, and now they made this game called Virtual Knee Surgery. They've got an orchestral soundtrack. They've got I think not double A. It's a double A game with orchestral soundtrack, and it has A-list actors doing the voice acting. And apparently they hired postgraduate medical degree holders to do the concept and everything for this game. So we'll check out how it is.
Welcome to Virtual Knee Surgery.
Wow.
This activity will show you the process of replacing a failing knee joint. Are you ready? Today, our patient is a 76-year-old man.
Wow.
It is mandatory to check the patient's vital signs before beginning surgery. An anesthesiologist in the operating room performs this step. If the patient's vital signs are not in the normal ranges, we will not proceed with the surgery. Using the healthy person's vital sign chart as a reference,
oh my God,
can our patient undergo surgery today?
Okay, well, God. Okay, first thoughts. Jesus. I never saw a game that I honestly, whenever people say, "Oh, games can be art," I usually doubt them. But actually, honestly, right now, first thoughts, that debunks any doubts. I mean, oh gosh, this is it. This is honestly like the game. It might not be your typical FPS or strategy game, but it is a simulator, and it in essence catches the whole stress of surgery. I kind of feel like a doctor. So we have to compare vital signs. I guess the temperature's got to be between 97 and 99. We got that. The heart rate seems good. The systolic and diastolic blood pressure seems good, and then the saturation of the pulse oximetry seems good too. So yes, this patient is.
It looks like good. Surgery will proceed as planned.
Gosh, I'm excited. Oh my God.
To look at our patient's X-rays. Which knee do you think needs surgery?
Jesus, this is actually $25 well spent. Honestly, Jesus. If you want to go download it, it's on Steam. The voice actor that you're hearing is actually Nicolas Kim Coppola. If you don't know who that is, it's actually the well-known guy, Nick Cage. Yeah, Nicolas Kim Coppola. I consider calling him that because I'm a part of the member of the IMDb. If you don't know who Nicolas Kim Coppola is, he's in a bunch of movies such as The Mickey Man, 148, and Motor Ghost. Alright, so right now we're going to be doing left knee.
You're right. His left knee appears worn down and lacking cartilage,
wow,
which is likely the cause of his pain. The nurse has begun prepping our patient for surgery by placing an IV needle in his right hand. Now it's your turn. Use the marker and write your initials on the proper knee to be operated on. This may seem silly, but it's an actual step taken to prevent wrong site surgeries.
I think alright, let's see. So we got it. This is the patient's left leg, so
nope.
I don't get it.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, I'm stupid. It's on the patient's left leg. Okay, so we're gonna do our marker. Nerf. Okay, so we're gonna do the good old symbol, the leaf, and then Nerf gun tutorials.
The anesthesiologist administers drugs through the IV.
Oh God!
Through a mask over the patient's face.
Oh, I love drugs.
What function should these drugs perform?
Drugs are THC. Get that good old. I got 2 gallons of THC right now. Okay, play that intro again. God, I love that intro. Anyways,
after the patient is unconscious, and before the first incision is made, we need to establish a sterile field around the surgical area.
This is gonna look fun.
A series of sterile drapes isolates the surgical field from the rest of the patient's body. A tourniquet is applied to cut off blood flow, which allows a clearer view of the surgical field during surgery.
This is freaking intense.
To kill the bacteria on the patient's leg, clean it in a betadine solution. This scrubbing process will limit the chance of bacterial infection.
It's actually, these preliminary things are actually very useful, so we gotta know. You gotta make sure to do that part. Hopefully when I get off this tutorial, maybe this would be good. Alright, so we select the sponge is on the table, and now we just, looks like it's not working. Okay, how about... Oh my gosh, we have to put it in the solution first. Okay. Wow, okay, so they make it... Wait, so this features...
Why do you think knee surgery involves so many drapes?
That's funny. Dude, I honestly think that they just put that there to be funny. Great job, man. That got to me. That tickled me. Let's do this part first. Okay, perfect. Okay, you just gotta do this. Oh, shit! Troy, see, this is why the game fucking sucks. Fuck you. There you go. There you go. This is disgusting. What the fuck? Okay, so we're gonna use a drill. Oh god, don't tell me I'm gonna have to... Oh my god. Okay, we're done. We're fucking done. Okay.
The jig is
put
into position.
Nope, fuck you. Okay, we're gonna play some Bloons Tower Defense. So I think in a nutshell, I'd give that game, I think, 5 beefs out of 10 turkeys. If for people who don't know the transfer rates, let me see if I got a calculator. That's not a calculator, it's a numpad. Okay, let me get my phone. Okay, so yeah, 5 beefs transferred over to turkey would be, yeah, that would be 12.4. So 12.4 out of 15 turkeys. But for beefs, it's going to be 10 beefs out of 15 turkeys. Simply because I just think the game lacked luster. You know, I think they spent so much money on the whole art factor, but not enough on the luster factor, which is why I think that the game is a little bit lackluster. So yeah, I do appreciate them having Coppola make a cameo in there, and I do appreciate the accuracy and the orchestral soundtrack. But you know, I think just this lack of luster kind of caused me to give it 10 beefs out of 15 turkeys. So yeah. Alright guys, keep gaming, keep nerfing. I'll upload some more Nerf gun tutorials soon. Thanks for the creeps.